My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying, they take me away. My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying.
It's cracking YouTube. It's me, your host Team, aka your favorite YouTube content creator. Back here again with another sneaker review. Well, sneaker pickup actually. Before we get started, I need you to do me a favor. Like, subscribe, share. Follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram on the description below, and it'll be right next to me. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. We are in California. It's sunny. California is a beautiful day. We're on Melrose right now with Fairfax. As you can see, we're right outside of Flight Club. I haven't been here in a long time. We're gonna try to double up. I'm not gonna say what I'm gonna double up on, but y'all gonna see. But we're gonna spend some money, and yeah, I mean, I don't really got too much I want to say, but let's enjoy it. I'm gonna show y'all Flight Club and everything like that. And I actually thought it was closed down after all the riots and stuff happened out here in California, but they're open. I was gonna go to KicksOfTheDay, shout out to KicksOfTheDay, but let's stop here first, see what we can get. All right, stay tuned. Yes, sir. Appreciate you, my brother. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We back. Just left Flight Club. Shout out to Flight Club. Thanks for having me. I appreciate y'all. Got 2 pickups. Y'all already know what it is because y'all saw it at the register. Yeah, man. I'm not going to do I'm not going to do an in-depth review on these 2 sneakers because everybody has done thousands and thousands of reviews on YouTube. But I will show y'all at home a little bit closer with my other kicks. So stay tuned to that. We'll be home in a little bit. All right, we back. Finally home. Time to wrap this video up. Take my work pants off the shit. Wrap this video up. So, like I said, once again, shout out to Flight Club for taking care of the kid. Appreciate y'all. What I was saying in the beginning of the video, and it was kind of loud, so I didn't think y'all could hear it. But I didn't even know Flight Club was open. I've only shopped at Flight Club one other time, and it was a long time ago, like probably like 7 years ago, something like that. And I spent like 6 bands there, something like that. I'm not bragging enough. I'm just saying, like, I bought a bunch of shoes that I don't even have right now. I think I probably got like maybe 1 or 2 of those shoes back. But y'all already saw from the video what I picked up, and got right there SB, or the Air Jordan 4 SB, or whatever you want to call them. And then we got Lost and Found. The box is kind of beat up a little bit, but it does have the original receipt. So y'all already know what these look like. And this is not nothing new, because this box is like really kind of like wet ready. But like I said, not nothing new because I already got them. So this is just a double up, both 8.5 for the Lost and Founds. And I had a 9. For my pair was a 9, which I can't wear 9, but I wanted my original 8.5 pairs. So I mean my original size 8.5, so I do got that. For the Lost and Found, I do already have a review of both of these on my channel. The Lost and Found review will be right there, right now. Go check that out. And the Air Jordan 4, I don't know why I keep on forgetting, SB? Yeah. Air Jordan 4, SB, collab, whatever. That review will be up there right now. Hopefully both of them pop up. The little links above both popped up. But I think I pretty much got it down now. I know how to put both links up there. So, yeah, that's pretty much it, man. Oh, you want to see what I picked up? Classic, you already seen these. You already did, because I already did a review. I'm pretty sure you already said these. So I got these. Air Jordan 1s. What you think about these?
Like rates or no?
This was, yeah, we can do rates, but this was the shoe of the year. Look, last year, right? Yeah, last year. Well, they originally came out in October, if I'm not mistaken. What you think? Got that new speed, bro. What you think? 1 to 10?
5.
Wow.
8.
Okay. Hey, listen, we're not even gonna go through it, but that was the shoe of the year last year.
How?
And this was the shoe of, well, it's the Chicago colorway. So I mean, it's you know, it's just the colorway. It's the original colorway, the Air Jordan 1. So everybody fell in love with that, just with a little vintage look to it. So, and these are the SB, the Air Jordan 4 SBs. I guess that's what they call it, pine greens or whatever like that. What you giving this?
Oh, those?
Yeah.
7.
7? Yeah, so you like these. I kind of figured you was going to like these more than this. So, but yeah, but these are the 2 shoes I picked up today. So just had to double. Like I said, I already got them. Just had to double up. Both reviews will be up there. Just go click on the link. Go find them on my channel, whatever like that. I already got a review for both of them. But I'm happy. I've been talking about it for weeks that I wanted to double up on both of these. And I was able to double up on them. So, yeah, anyway. Like, subscribe, share. Follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram, all in the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. And as always, from me, your host, Tune, aka. Oh, I'm sorry, Jessica. Well, what you rating these? We gotta let Jessica rate it too.
Which one are you talking about?
The Lost and Founds, the red, white, and black one.
I'll give it
An 8. What you like about it?
Well, I mean, I just like Jordan 1s.
Okay, but you don't like high
It's
tops.
original, but I don't like high tops.
Oh, okay.
And I don't know that I would be able to wear those colors. Like, I don't have any red.
Okay. What about the pine greens?
I'll give those a 7.
Okay. And you don't. Why 7?
Huh?
Why 7?
Well, I like them for guys' shoes. I mean, I wouldn't wear them.
Well, it's a skateboarder shit.
And right, but it's also the color too.
You don't like the green and white? The
Not
lucky
for me.
green?
No, not for me. I like it on other people.
Okay.
Yeah, so
I mean, Jordan 4s are all my favorite
they're
silhouette.
my favorite silhouette too, but not for me. For guys.
Anyway, for me, host Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead, represent Tune's Kicks, and the whole Tune squad. You know what to do. Have a nice day.